there we go. Look for my grommets. That's what I need. Here, and again, I got that. This will be covered. Stock, this is all exposed. But I got the speaker kick panels. So I'm gonna have a panel on here with the speaker, so I can hide the wires underneath the panel. So that's what I'll do. I'll bring it down here close to the toe board, and then that panel will cover it. That's what I'm gonna do. I don't want to do this big one because I don't want to drill that big of a hole. It's probably gonna be these two. I'll probably do them separate. My name's Anthony Cantwell. We're in Hanford, California, and I'm working on a 1971 Chevy C10 short. Did some wiring, just a little bit. Not much, because the shit takes forever. Yeah, we planned it out. We drilled some holes for the grommets, ran some wires to the front accessories and to the back accessories. Ran the main battery cable, didn't finish that though. Had some problems with the tap, broke a couple taps inside the Porterbuilt rear frame. Porterbuilt uses some fit gauge metal for their stuff, so it's nice, but it breaks taps. Usually only one of my days off. I commit one of my days off to my wife. Yeah, so my wife, she owns a beauty parlor in Hanford called Ladies Room Beauty Parlor. Yeah, no, she's an artist though, man. She paints, crafts, you name it, she could do it. She actually did some shirts for a company, did the artwork for their shirts, and we do hang out, do whatever she wants to do, and then my other day off, it always switches back and forth. I work on my truck all day. I usually start about 10, usually wrap it up around 5 o'clock, 5:30, because then we have dinner and then chill and watch TV or whatever. So I get time in. When I get home from work, I make it a point, as long as you get out and turn a bolt every single day, your project's gonna get done. That's what I've learned in my advancing age. Not that I'm super fucking old, but from starting from 16 until now and having so many projects, as long as you get out every day, man, do that 5-10 minutes of either visualizing or moving something or turning a bolt, you're good, man, you're progressing. So that's what I do every day. I come out here visualize something, put a plan together what I'm gonna do. I've been working on it since 2017, 5 years now. I've been working on it off and on. I built a few cars between then. So it would have been done, but I finished the other cars first. It has a Porterbuilt fabrication, version 2 drop member in the front, Porterbuilt fabrication version 7 rear drop member. That's all along I've been working on it. It has a LS 5.3 with a 4L60. I'm using the Holley Terminator X Max wiring harness and computer. I got 373 gears in the back, posi traction, I guess if you want to call it posi. Running the AZ Pro Performance brake package, front and rear, for the big brakes. It has the C5 calipers, front Mustang on the rear, running a airlift 3.8 air system. Although I'm using an AccuAir tank because I like the AccuAir tanks, they're nice. But this is where I'm going kind of different from people. I'm not going to AccuAir system, although I love their tanks. So I'm an airlift fan. The 3H3P, both of them, I used them several times in the past on hot rods I've built. It's plug and play, dude. You get a controller with it that's all digital. You don't got to pay extra for it. You don't got to pay extra for the Bluetooth. The Boyd welding tank went with the Watts Link. Bed raise kits from GSI, running a 220 amp alternator to keep everything juiced. Dual Optimas in the rear, running two high derail, high output fans in the front. It should run all right. Got some Porterbuilt fabrication hood hinges. Dakota digital gauges, ACC carpet, new seat, power window kit from, I forget who I bought it from, but it's a kit made specifically for the truck. It's gonna be cool, man. It's gonna be cool. I'm running the original paint on it. On the outside, of course, the inside, I reshot it. Firewall, I shaved and reshot it. Did the vintage air firewall panel, shaved it in there. Still got the vintage air on it. But shit ain't gonna fucking work, so now I gotta fish it back out along the firewall without scratching my newly painted firewall.